My name is Kosik and welcome back to the channel Code Matrix. So guys, in this video I will show you how to install MySQL on Windows 10 or 11 step by step. Okay, and after the installation I will show you how you can configure MySQL shell. So let's begin by opening our browser and search MySQL download. Here you can see the first result, mysql.com. So click here. Now scroll down and look for MySQL community GPL downloads. Okay, here it is link. This is the link. Okay, click here. Now click on the MySQL installer for Windows. Now when you scroll down, you can see there are two options. One is a web installer with smaller file size, and other one is full installer with large file size. Okay, so I recommend you download the larger file size. Okay, so click download. On the next screen you can see login and registration. You don't have to do any of that, just simply click on no thanks, just start my download, and the download will start. This will take time, so let's wait. So our download is complete. Now double click on the installer to launch it. Okay, this is the file. Now click yes to continue, and again yes. First let me minimize the browser. Okay, so here you have to select a setup. I want my database in my local machine, and the database server भी मुझे अपने PC में ही चाहिए. So I will choose full setup and click next, and then execute. This will take some times, so we will wait again. Now select next, then again next. Here you can see the connectivity, TCP IP, port number 3306, this and that. जो by default है वही रहने देते हैं. So click next. Now authentication method, use strong password encryption for authentication. Select this option and then click next. Now we have to set root password. This password जो main administrator है उसके लिए है. So set a root password. Ignore this portion, then click next. Now what it says, configure MySQL server as a Windows service. ठीक है, कर देते हैं. Select standard system account, then next. Now select the first option. Yes, grant all full access to this option, and then click next, and then execute. After uh, the configuration of MySQL server was successful, then click finish, then again next. Ignore this portion and then finish, then click next, then again next. Now you can see the MySQL server is in running state. We have to check this by providing password जो अभी हमने create किया था वो यहाँ पर root, then click check. Now you can see the connection is successful. Then click next and then execute, and then finish, and again next. The installation is now complete, then click finish. Now you can see अभी हमारा MySQL shell open है. So MySQL shell is terminal based interface, and this is MySQL workbench, and this is the user interface of MySQL, graphical user interface. Okay. So when we will learn SQL, we will use the MySQL shell version. So workbench को हम बाद में सीखेंगे. Now in MySQL shell, let's type help. Now you can see all the kahanis of MySQL here. Now if you look closely, here you can see MySQL JS. That means MySQL JavaScript. आप अभी ये सोच रहे होंगे अरे ये क्या हो गया, हमें तो निकालना था SQL, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो जावास्क्रिप्ट दिखा रहा है. तो एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि MySQL सेल में 3 मोड सपोर्ट करते हैं. वन इज पाइथन, वन इज जावास्क्रिप्ट, एंड द लास्ट वन इज SQL. Now we have to go inside SQL mode. So type SQL, then enter. You can see now MySQL यहाँ पर SQL. Okay, so हमारा SQL mode on हो गया है अभी. Now let's type a query here. So databases, enter. You can see there is an error, not connected. Because we did not connect the shell with our databases yet. So type this command to connect. Okay, connect root @localhost colon 3306. ये 3306 हमारा पोर्ट नंबर है. ठीक है. नाउ एंटर. You can see here MySQL localhost column 3306. तो हमारा अभी सर्वर के साथ डाटाबेस कनेक्ट हो गया है। यहाँ पर एक लाइन मिस हुआ है। whenever you type the connect root @localhost colon 3306 and then enter, after that you have to type your password and then y for to save the password. okay, अभी मेरे यहाँ पर आया नहीं है, शायद आप लोगों के पास आ जाए। okay, now we will type the query जो हमने पहले टाइप किया था। so databases, now you can see this query will display all the databases which is already available in the MySQL. So you can see our MySQL cell is running properly. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorial. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.